An abrasive metal cutting disc is an essential tool in the world of metalworking, prized for its strength, durability, and efficiency. These discs are specifically engineered to slice through metals of all kinds, steel, aluminum, iron, and beyond, thanks to a blend of abrasive materials like aluminum oxide or silicon carbide. Think of them as the blades of the power tool universe, but instead of teeth, they rely on a combination of friction and grit to make clean, precise cuts. This abrasive grit essentially sands its way through metal, wearing down the material to create smooth cuts. The discs come in a range of sizes and thicknesses to suit different cutting needs, from delicate cuts in thin sheets to heavy-duty work on thick metal beams. When a cutting disc is mounted onto an angle grinder or a cut-off saw, it spins at high speeds, generating intense heat and friction. This enables the disc to penetrate metal quickly, but the intense conditions also mean it has to withstand a lot of stress. To achieve this, manufacturers design discs with reinforced fiberglass layers and binding resins, which provide flexibility and durability, preventing them from shattering under pressure. Additionally, the abrasive material wears down as it cuts, revealing fresh, sharp grit that maintains cutting efficiency. This self-sharpening feature keeps the disc effective for longer, as new grit layers are constantly exposed with each cut, ensuring smooth operation from start to finish. Using an abrasive metal cutting disc safely and effectively involves some important tips. First, always match the disc to the material. Some are designed for ferrous metals, while others work better on non-ferrous metals. Proper PPE, like safety glasses and gloves, is essential, as sparks and tiny metal shards are a natural part of the cutting process. Positioning is also crucial. Maintaining steady pressure without forcing the disc helps prolong its life and prevents accidents. Finally, these discs are consumables, meaning they'll wear down over time, so having a few spares on hand is always wise. Whether you're a professional fabricator or a DIY enthusiast, an abrasive metal cutting disc is a versatile, powerful tool that brings precision and power to any metalworking project.